Hi, welcome to the Read With Me series, Yojana Special Issue, October 2021, Science and Technology, under Innovation, article Nanotechnology in Textiles by Dr. Neha Yashwanta Hebalkar. Nanotechnology is being applied in various fields due to its ability to change physical, chemical, electronic, optical, thermal, magnetic and biological properties of the matter because of its ultra small size of less than 100 nanometer. In the 3D structure of the matter, when the dimensions are reduced to nano size one by one, the formed nanostructures are called thin film, nanowire and quantum dot respectively. Thus, by engineering the size and shape in nano dimensions, the properties of the matter can be manipulated to achieve the required functionality which is otherwise not possible with bulk materials. Such an amazing technology has proven its potential in all the field, and the textile industry is not an exception. The textile industry caters to various segments in consumer products such as clothing, home furnishing, bathing, accessories, automobiles, military, biomedical, electronic and technical fabrics. Advanced textiles are designed to be smart and interactive. Smart interactive textiles can sense electric, thermal, chemical, magnetic or other stimuli from the environment and adapt or respond to them using functionalities integrated into the textile structure. The various applications of nanotechnology in textiles are illustrated. Let's discuss some desirable about new generation clothing. Coming to the illustration, applications of nanotechnology in various segments and nanomaterials used in the textile industry. Military application, camouflaging, extreme temperature clothing as stealth, biomedical, wound dressing, scaffold in tissue engineering, antimicrobial clothing, automobiles, seat cover, filters in air conditioner. With respect to electronics, conducting, charging, to technical, fire resistant, anti-static, EMI proof, as a sensor and filters. Consumer products, antibacterial, self-cleaning, deodorant, thermoregulation, anti-stain, wrinkle-free clothing. Although the primary function of clothing is protection and aesthetics, our changing lifestyle, pollution, environmental condition and unexpected challenges such as the COVID pandemic has led us to new requirements in the apparel industry. For instance, added comfort, thermoregulation, hygiene, protection from UV light, fire pathogens, electromagnetic field, etc. Due to long working hours and polluted air, the clothes we wear become a host of bacteria to grow in the sweat absorbed by the fabric, giving out a bad odor. The freshness in the apparel we wear can be retained for longer hours if the bacterial growth is restricted. Nanotechnology has played a very important role in achieving this target. International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Materials has developed a nano-silver based suspension that can be applied on the fabric surface to get antibacterial activity. Nano-silver uses the same scientific principle as the one that lies in our tradition to drink water stored in copper and silver vessels, where the ions of these metals released in water kills the microorganism and make it safe for drinking. In the silver nanoparticles, Ag plus ions released from the surface interact with the bacterial cell membrane, proteins in the cell and the DNA which led to the cell death. The advantage of the ultra fine size of silver particle is that a very small amount of silver can be spread over the large surface area of the fabric. Tailored surface chemistry of nano-silver particles make a strong chemical bond with fabric to give durability in functionality. Figure 2 shows an image of silver nanoparticle seen under the transmission electron microscope and experimentally shown antibacterial activity. The antimicrobial textiles are most essential in the medical sector, especially in the present deadly pandemic condition. For example, in curtain, bed cover, face mask, aprons used in the hospital and diagnostic centers. It can also serve for the best hygiene in sportswear, baby products, sanitary napkins, wound healing dressings, and so on. Other compounds such as zinc, copper and their oxides coupled with metal nanoparticles can also be used as antibacterial agents. Recently, the ARCI has demonstrated coating of oxide nanoparticle doped with a trace of amount of silver in the active layer in the face mask to give protection against SARS-CoV-2 virus. This indigenous technology is a need of the hour and is being accelerated for its commercialization. Titanium dioxide is another strong antimicrobial material that conducts a phenomenon known as photocatalysis. In simple words, active titanium dioxide, a semiconductor material, 1. Absorbs ultraviolet rays in sunlight equivalent to its energy band gap in presence of little moisture in the air, creates highly reactive radicals which degrade most of the organic pollutants including the germs in its contact, and thirdly, keeps the surface and surrounding clean. This phenomenon is schematically explained. The energy band gap in titania can be tailored by customizing the nanoparticle size and crystal structure. The highest efficiency of photocatalysis is achieved by engineering the band gap and surface functionalization of metal nanoparticles. Thus, surface coated with titanium dioxide gets self-clean when exposed to sunlight. A novel titanium dioxide microscope developed at ARCI has proved its high efficiency in the self-cleaning property. It can clean the organic pollutant just by giving sunlight exposure for few hours. The micrograph of titanium microspheres and their self-cleaning activity on coated fabric is schematically explained. This technology saves detergent, water and electricity. Simply, we have to wear these clothes and breathe fresh air. The product has been successfully commercialized and self-cleaning garments are launched in the market under the tag Sunwash. The same titania is also very effective against the giving protection from harmful ultraviolet rays in sunlight. Wearable sunscreen tagged garments in the market are based on this property of titania microsphere. These were desired to have clothing for indoor use where self-cleaning can be activated by visible light from LED lamps. Again, this can be achieved by manipulating the band gap in titania by doping another element in trace quantity or by surface functionalizing in such a way that titania absorb visible light wavelength and initiate the photocatalytic activity. In a further development, the titania particles were coupled with carbon dots to give rise to the visible light active titania. A thin coating of nanofiber on the fabric used in the air filter, air conditioners and automobiles exhaust stop the ultrafine particles, thereby increasing the efficiency of the filter. Electrospinning technique has been used to produce these air filters. There are several other needs for everyday clothing such as thermoregulation, where fabric responds to change in the body temperature and maintains comfort by either heating or cooling. The phase change material, that is PCM, is incorporated into the fabric to fulfill this function. The phase change material stores and releases heat by self undergoing a change in its phase. The polymeric microcapsules filled with the perfumes or deodorants or insect repellents can be integrated with fabric for slow release. Stain and wrinkle resistance are also the most desired functionalities. The synthetic fibers develop a static charge. The anti-static property can be imparted on them by coating hydrophilic nano-sized oxide particles like titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, antimony tin oxide, silica, or bonding electrically conducting nanoparticles which can effectively dissipate the static charge which is accumulated on the fabric. There is another class of textiles called technical textiles which are used in the special applications. For example, fireproof and flame retardant fabrics is required in the suit used by firefighters. The high temperature stable materials are combined with the thermally insulating and fireproof materials such as nanoporous silica aerogel for this application. On the contrary, the personnel working at sub-zero temperature need protection against low temperature in their clothing, tent, food storage, etc. The same silica aerogel can serve this purpose because of its thermal insulation property for cold temperatures too. The silica aerogels are ultra low density nanoporous material best known for their thermal insulation performance in the temperature ranging from cryo to 800 degrees Celsius. Silica aerogels thermal insulation and fire resistance performance. The fabric can be used as a sensor or charger by functionalizing with piezoelectric nanocrystal which can convert mechanical load into electrical energy. This electrical signal can be used to sense a heartbeat or to charge a small battery. Other examples of technical textiles include functions like electromagnetic field shielding, electrical conducting, anti-static camouflage, stealth, water repellency, and so on. The nanoparticles used in these applications are mainly carbon nanotubes, nanoparticles of metals, metal oxide, clay, semiconductor, polymer, etc. The nanomaterial can be applied to the fabric at various levels at the fiber or yarn stage during the spinning or weaving process or directly on the fabric. Most conveniently, the ready fabric is treated by a conventional padding process where active nanomaterials are mixed in the textile finish chemical, where it gets soaked with this liquid and then goes through hot rollers where excess liquid is squeezed out. Heat and pressure are applied to the fabric to fix the nanomaterial on its surface. Both synthetic and natural fibers can be functionalized with nanomaterial. Nanotechnology has a great potential in the textile industry. Functional and smart textiles can play an important role in the economy of the nation. However, there are limitations in application due to the scientific complexity and the cost adhered to it. A proper study is necessary to find any toxic effect of handling or wearing the material to eliminate any health risk due to short or long-term exposure. For example, nano-silver application on textiles were studied for leaching of silver in water while washing the fabric, and it achieved its concentration within the safe limits. Before launching the technology commercially, it was confirmed that the technology is environment friendly. Thank you.